Hello and welcome to Wix Design Her. This is a tutorial on how to quickly add the Members Area app to your DIY Wix website. I'm Ruth Ann Bowen and I will be teaching you this tutorial. So as you can see, I have my editor open. This is my playground site. This is just the site that I use a lot of times for examples. And what you're going to do to add the members area is simply come over here to add apps, and you're going to click on that. And that's going to open up the Wix app market. And once the app market opens up, we're just going to simply search for the members area bar. And we're just going to type in members area. And once the members area app comes up, we're just going to click on it and add it. So here we are. We're just going to open. And I actually already have this added on my site, but we're just going to add it again. And Wix automatically adds the members area to your website. Now, where do you find it? So you can come up here to menus and pages, and you're just going to click on that, and you're going to come down to member pages. So these are the pages that are added when you add your members area. I have a couple of other extra ones that I've put in for the example, but for the most part, you'll have my account. If you have bookings added, it will have that. Any kind of app that you have that or that you want to add to your members area, you can do that. So as you can see, the way to tell a members area page is it will have this people icon over here on the right. So you can see all these pages have that people icon. Here's a page that doesn't, the blog comments. So if you want to make a page members area only, just click on these three dots and go to your settings. And within settings, you have some options here. We're going to go to permissions. And under permissions, instead of having everyone clicked, which is the default for right now, we're going to click members only. So when we click the members only page, it's going to add this people icon over here to the right. And that's how we know members only can see that page. So as you can see, blog comments now are only available to the members area. So that's just a quick and easy way to add the members area app. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments below. And as always, please subscribe to our Wix Design Her channel. See you next time.